Guys, it's a very sad day. It is a super sad day. I'm saying goodbye to my beloved Vauxhall Astra. All you guys might know as Knob Car. Fuck! It's actually peak! It's so peak, man! Bro, that car has introduced me to the whole car scene. That car has introduced me to a lot of people. We gotta say bye to it. We gotta say bye because we're moving on to bigger and better things. You know what, coming to think of it, I'm remembering all the memories of that car. I remember gapping people, gapping my friends, destroying people on the racetrack. Like, that car, mate, that made me a race car driver. I'm going to miss the car. This is my final drive with the Astra. And, oh man, you know what? This is my first time ever selling a car. I never knew it would get this emotional at all. So what I'm gonna do right now is this. I'm gonna go to the car wash and I'm gonna take one final drive in my beloved Astra. You know what? To a lot of people, that car was a shitbox. But to me, that was my first car. So I will always have a special place in my heart for that car. Let's go down to the car. Let's have one final drive. Let's give it a nice wash. And yeah, it's time. The Astra is getting sold, lads. Well guys, there it is. There's my Astra. One final drive in the Astra. This one's gonna be a bit emotional. It's a bit dirty right now because the weather has been shit. But yeah, one final drive in it. I actually go get some stuff out of the S14 that I use for cleaning and use it on this. So yeah, let me do that and we'll go to the car wash. Well, there's a bit of a wait to the car wash. There's quite a bit of cars there, but yeah, here's the car. Drive down to the car wash and yeah, one last wash in the Astra. Well, that is it. The final drive of the Astra is done. The car is nice and clean. Got it nice and touched up because I didn't wash this car for a good couple of weeks because I was on holiday and had no time. But yeah, car's nice and clean. That was the final drive. Bit of an emotional one. Gonna miss this car, man. But you know what? On to delivery date. Bloody hell, that light is bright. Jesus Christ. So guys, this is my 2023 JCW. And you guys are probably gonna ask me, why did I go for another one? The simple reason is, the last one was my dad's one and I fell in love with that car. So, you guys are probably wondering, am I replacing the S14? No, that is not the case. This is my daily. This has actually replaced the Astra, sadly. I say sadly, I miss the Astra a lot, I can't lie. That was my first ever car, but it's cool, and we got a little upgrade right here. So it's kind of like a pearl white color. I spec'd it out, wait for it to get delivered, and yeah, it turned out amazing. I actually do like the white. The only issue is, Sammy can back me up. Oh my god, the weather's been shit.
Oh yeah, it's been raining, bro, spitting all day.
The car, I got it on Saturday, right? It's now, what is it, Thursday, I guess? Thursday or Friday, I think?
Yeah, it's Friday,
Oh, it's Friday. So it was raining the whole week, and the car literally got violated in different ways. Sam, you explain to them how badly it was.
Oh, honestly, it was just dusty, everything, man.
It was so bad. So I was like, cool, get this car clean, go to a little car wash, little spray of the thing. But it actually turns out nice though. Yeah, the only good thing about white is, when the car's clean, it looks peng. When the car's dirty, it's a dead car at the end of the day. You know what? Let's give a little show around. So
yeah, we will.
The best thing about the minis is, yeah, these. The back lights, the Union Jack tail lights. They go so hard. You know what? I look at the back of this car and I'm like, yes, the colour is spot on. Boot space on this car, not good at all. Bruh. It's peak. I'll probably fit a dead body or two, but not into that kind of stuff. Am I right, Sammy? We are PG. Good thing about this one is it has some next up emblem that comes on the floor when you unlock the car and everything like that. I don't know where it comes from actually. You know, where does it come from here? What? Oh, here! Bro. So, yeah, let's give a little walk through the interior. I'm not going to do a sound clip here because I will get very violated by a sound camera that's like somewhere down there. But you guys will hear a sound clip of it. Interior wise, it's peng, very peng in my opinion. It's got Recaro sports seats, it's a DCT one because sadly Mini don't make fucking manuals anymore. it's annoying. Am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
DCT though, it's quick, it's rapid. It's got 231 horsepower, which is stupid for a car this kind of, what would I say, this kind of like scene, I guess. Let's pop the hood because I didn't talk engine specs.
Let's pop it.
Right, engine specs, because I know a bunch of you car geeks want to know about it, and plus we are all car guys here. This is the B48. This is it's a very similar engine to the 135i, the new one, but it's not exactly the same power. I think mine's a bit of a detuned one, but I know the Mini GPs are the 135 engines, so yeah. This is pushing around 231 horsepower right now. It's fucking quick. Launch control, oh my lord.
Honestly.
Launch control is another story. I've already got plans for it. I want to get the eVenturi intake, so that'll be coming very soon. But the S14 is my main focus, so yeah, I'm kind of putting more money into the S14.
That's the love and shine, isn't it?
That's the pride and joy. This is the little nice cut in it, the little nice secondary thing. There'll be a bit of engine stuff for this car, but not right now because I'm gonna enjoy its stock. The car has already got 197 miles. Oh, fucking focus. Yep, you guys could probably see if it's focusing. Yeah, there it is. 197 miles, 24.6 mpg. I've already put miles in this car, but I've never driven this car on anything except sports mode, so I blame myself. This car is eco, but it's been on sports mode every single day. I've not driven this car in eco or green mode at all, so yeah. And obviously the camera light here, brilliant. What do you think, Sammy?
Oh, extremely bright, honestly. I feel like it shows all the shadows on my face, you know, starting off my model career from today.
Hey, yo, post was. Jeez. Oh, Mini, it's the Mini me right now. Okay, that sounds really bad. Listen, don't make any jokes, it's the car's name. All right, we're gonna go for a little spin. Sammy's gonna record me driving. I guess we can't have the camera light on because I might get in trouble for that.
Yeah, that would be a bit stroby, you know, you don't want to blind an old woman or something. kind of a bad story.
Yeah, we don't want to cause any accidents.
We want to moderately break the law.
Yeah, and I'll also give you guys a sound clip. Guys, I'm gonna give a little sound test, and yeah, okay, you know what? Go to the exhaust first.
Oh, it's beautiful, man. Subtle,
but guys,
but dangerous.
The turbo noises in this car, man. Yeah, minis do that when stopped. This car is quiet, but the fucking turbo noises it makes
honestly.
is nutty. Like, it is orgasmistic.
Orgasmistic.
I just met myself. Yeah, I've made that word up, guys. And Car's dictionary. Let's go for a little spin in the dinger. Right, we're on for a little drive. It's a bit dark outside. Well, we're stuck in traffic, as you guys can see. It's bloody annoying. Fuck traffic. You gauge.
Petrol price looks nice.
Petrol prices is still deep, man. I still remember the days in lockdown when petrol prices were 90p. But sadly now, petrol prices are through the roof. It's like an arm and a leg just to get fucking fuel. I got the car with 6 miles in it. It was crazy. Then I'm about to hit 200 miles. I've already driven this car like a maniac. We were in the speed limit. Speed limit. Don't shout at me. I was in the speed limit. You guys probably can't see me because I'm too brown. Am I right?
No, I can actually see quite a lot there.
I've got midnight camouflage skin.
Hey, bandana's, you know, doing some work.
Thank God I wore the white one today.
Cool one.
Give it a little space. Bang. It pulls. It sounds pretty nice too. I love it. I like the sound of it. Sammy, what do you think of the sound?
Absolutely amazing, mate. Honestly, Adele just lost her job, mate.
Because I've been driving this car in sports mode literally like pretty much 90% of the time. It's very drinky, I must say. It's not economical in sports mode, but smiles per gallon.
Ready.
Beautiful.
Oh, orgasmic. That's the word.
Fantastic.
That is the word, boy.
Guys, I'm going to insert a little clip right now of like another clip in the daylight where I just fucking floored this car in sports mode. Insert it right now. 3, 2, 1.
Yosh!
Mini Cooper, best daily.
Mini Cooper best daily.
All right, we're back home. This camera light is very good. I like this camera light. Best purchase I've ever made for this camera of all time. But yeah, this is the car. This is the new daily. The S14, don't worry, that's not going anywhere. I actually have some stuff for that car. New turbo manifold and some more stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. I've hit 200 miles in the car already. Hey, let's go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and peace.